Welcome to our tutorial about creating a custom view. If you need to present a custom view of your drawing, for example, let's say if I need a perspective view, the way to do it is with the Create View tool. And then afterward you would save that particular view. Let's call it My View and click OK. Now let's create a new drawing document. OK. Landscape B, OK. Let's go to the View palette. Here we have the view I just created. SOLIDWORKS asks me if we want to switch the view to use isometric dimensions. Let's choose No. Let's scroll down and use a custom scale, 1:1. And let's choose a shaded with edges display style. OK. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a custom view.